Now we're going to take a look at what happens in nuclear bombs and power plants with regard to uranium and fission. So again, starting out with the gizmo, this is the key that kind of shows you what's going on here. I want you to pay particular attention down here underneath gamma. I'm going to go ahead and fire a proton at it. Nothing happens. I'm going to fire a helium at it. Nothing happens. Now I'm going to fire a neutron at it. Okay. So notice this time I've got zirconium and tellurium. All right. I'm going to fire a neutron at it again. Now this time I've got barium and krypton. Fire one more neutron. Barium and krypton again. But what you're noticing is I don't get the same two each time, and which is why you have this written right here. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at that in a different way. And there's something added here that I want you to see that was different than the last one that it didn't mark. So I just want you to focus on this part with my little gun and this nucleus right here. Again, you have a key over here. Oopsie, I didn't mean to fire two, but we'll be okay. So notice what it is now. Normally you wouldn't have that other little guy. Okay, I'm going to reset. I'm going to do it one more time. So take a look at what I'm firing. What does it turn into? And then what happens next? Great. All right. And then I think where I want to go next is here. And just take a look at this picture. And you're going to compare it to the animations that you just saw. All right. So now what we're going to take a look at is this. I'm going to reset. And what you notice is I have uranium-238 right now. What I was doing was uranium-235. Okay. So this is uranium-235. We saw what it did when I shot a neutron at it. What I've done now is fill this place with uranium-238. Okay. Watch what happens when I shoot a neutron at it. Interesting. What if I shoot another neutron at it? Okay. Maybe that one's broke. Let's do this one. Oh, well, that's boring. Let's do this one. What about that one? Okay. All right. So now what I'd like you to do is take a look at page 1. And under number 2, we have define fission. Define fission. Okay. And so here's where we're going to define fission. So go ahead and take these notes. All right. And like I said, as you finish this formative, what I'm asking you to do is some of the questions had numbers for page that corresponded to page 4. So maybe make sure that when you finish the formative, you've got the correct answers written down. Thanks. Have a good day.